Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how to resize an image without Photoshop or any other sophisticated software that you have to purchase. Using our Windows 11 or even lower versions, you can right click on the picture that you want to open and use an inbuilt software called Paint. When you open Paint, you can see that this picture is quite large, 6.3 MB, and you just need to click on this icon, and then this horizontal and vertical, just in the horizontal part just put 20% or 50, it depends on you, and you see that the picture now has reduced. But then to check, you need to save it. You can save it as JPG or PNG. I'm saving it as JPEG, and then I'm giving it a name, compressed image. So you can see it is now compressed to 215 KB. That's amazing. Wow. Just go back to the folder and see the picture. You see that the quality does not reduce in any way, and you can even zoom it 100% to see that the quality is still there. This is amazing. Wow. This is free, and you can do it right away. Thank you. If this is a video that you enjoy, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to be notified when I release more videos.